Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef in a cooker. First, select a good cut of beef, such as a chuck roast or brisket, which are ideal for slow cooking. Next, trim any large pieces of excess fat, leaving about 1/4 inch to ensure flavor without too much grease. Finally, cut the beef into 2-inch to 3-inch chunks. This helps it cook evenly and become wonderfully tender. After preparing your beef, it's time to build flavor. Sear the beef chunks in a hot pan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they develop a nice brown crust. Remove the beef, then add chopped onions and garlic to the same pan, cooking until they are fragrant. Deglaze the pan with about a half cup of beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This adds incredible depth. Now let's get everything into the slow cooker. First, transfer the seared beef and the sautéed onions and garlic into the cooker pot. Next, add your chosen vegetables, such as carrots, potatoes, and celery, around the beef. Finally, pour in enough liquid like beef broth or even some red wine to mostly cover the ingredients. This ensures everything stays moist and tender during the long cooking process. The final step is cooking and serving. Cook your beef on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until it's fork tender. Once done, let the beef rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, making it even more delicious. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.